Hi, my name is Angela French. I am one of the product developers here at Really Good Stuff that is a certified classroom teacher. And today I'm going to tell you about this learning success kit for third grade that we've made for you. This kit contains an activity book that will walk you through all the materials in the kit. It starts with the letter in English and in Spanish so that families can take full advantage of all the materials inside. It also comes with SEL items such as this infinity symbol breathing card. We have an Easy C reader here to help with reading. We have several journals. We have a writing journal, an opinion writing journal, an open-ended responses math journal, and a reading journal where students not only read the passage, they are asked comprehension questions afterward. It also comes with 5 double-sided dry erase mats and a dry erase marker. Also included is a set of multiplication tables and problems flashcards and a fraction face-off game. Using all these products will help your students meet grade level expectations.